Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own crab boil. First, gather your fresh crab, your favorite seasoning, and a variety of vegetables like corn and potatoes. You'll also need a very large pot and a sturdy strainer. A good rule of thumb is to plan for about 1.5 pounds of crab for each person you're serving. This ensures everyone gets a generous portion. Now, let's build the flavorful base for your crab boil. Fill your largest pot with water, leaving enough room for all your ingredients. Add a generous amount of your chosen crab boil seasoning. Don't forget to include aromatics such as halved lemons, quartered onions, and whole garlic cloves to infuse the water with incredible taste. Bring this mixture to a strong, rolling boil. With your boil base ready, it's time to add the main components. Start by adding your potatoes and corn, as these vegetables take longer to cook through. Let them simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, carefully add your fresh crab to the boiling water. Cook the crab for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, or until their shells turn a bright orange red. Once everything is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve your delicious crab boil. Carefully drain all the water from the pot, ensuring you don't lose any of your tasty ingredients. You can then arrange your crab, corn, and potatoes on a large serving platter, or simply spread them out on a newspaper-covered table for a traditional, communal experience. Don't forget the melted butter and fresh lemon wedges.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.